Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Earning 25,000 rupees per video on Fiverr is an ambitious goal. Here are some steps to help you work towards achieving it. 1. Enhance your video editing skills. Continuously improve your video editing skills by learning new techniques, staying updated with industry trends, and practicing regularly. Invest time in mastering popular video editing software and exploring advanced features and effects. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Develop an impressive portfolio that showcases your talent and expertise in video editing. Include samples of your best work across various genres and styles to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. 3. Define your services and target market. Determine the specific types of videos you will specialize in, such as promotional videos, event coverage, vlogs, or social media content. Identifying your target market will help you tailor your services and marketing efforts to attract the right clients. 4. Set competitive pricing. Research the market and analyze the pricing strategies of other video editors on Fiverr. Consider your skills, experience, and the complexity of the projects you can handle. Set your prices at a level that reflects the value you provide while remaining competitive. 5. Offer value-added services. Differentiate yourself by offering additional services that complement video editing, such as motion graphics, color grading, or sound design. Providing a comprehensive package can justify higher rates and attract clients seeking a one-stop solution. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Focus on delivering excellent customer service to ensure client satisfaction. Respond to inquiries promptly, communicate effectively, and understand clients' specific requirements. Strive to exceed their expectations by delivering high-quality videos within agreed-upon timelines. 7. Cultivate positive reviews and ratings. Encourage clients to leave positive reviews and ratings for your services. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others, which can lead to a steady stream of new projects and opportunities. 8. Market your services effectively. Promote your video editing services beyond Fiverr by leveraging social media platforms, creating a website or blog, and actively networking with potential clients in relevant communities or industry events. Share your portfolio, testimonials, and success stories to attract attention and generate leads. 9. Seek long-term collaborations. Cultivate relationships with clients who have recurring video editing needs. Offer special rates or incentives for clients who provide consistent work, as long-term collaborations can contribute significantly to your overall earnings. Remember that building a successful career on Fiverr takes time, effort, and persistence. Continuously improve your skills, adapt to client demands, and refine your marketing strategies. By providing high-quality videos, offering value-added services, and positioning yourself as an expert in your niche, you can work towards achieving your goal of earning 25,000 rupees per video on Fiverr. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.